Bread is something that's very engaging. You're using your hands, you're thinking about it, paying attention to it throughout the whole process.
It is a labor of love. Everything that we do requires a long time. We spend 3 days making a loaf of bread with good ingredients that Saskatchewan has to offer. We mill our own flour in-house that we get directly from farmers.
I love the connection that we have with the farmers. They really care about what they do, and they're the ones who know how to make the grain really great. We're the ones who know how to turn that grain into a product that the community can enjoy. My name is Bryn Rollick. I'm from Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, and I'm the owner, multi-hat wearer of the Night Oven Bakery. This pandemic has put a lot of stress on people and families. An initiative that we started right away at the Night Oven was giving a free loaf of bread to people who had been laid off due to COVID. We decided to do that just because it's something so simple. A small gesture to help people through this time. Change is hard, but change is something that we, do as people, and we've found ways that work for us and that are safe for our customers and for our staff.
My name is Tisha Huff. I am the production manager here at the Night Oven Bakery. We're very thankful that folks see the value in what we do. Did see a lot of influx of people saying, hey, I want to support a local business. I've never been here before, and we were just absolutely floored.
Supporting local is something that I hear a lot, being a small business owner. To me, it means to really look at where you're spending your money.
Any little purchase helps keep your local businesses alive.
We provide such a basic product of bread for people that many customers have reached out to let us know that us being open has provided them with comfort of routine and sustenance throughout this challenging and murky water time.